About this item: a 75% layout, 84 key, RGB backlight compact Bluetooth mechanical keyboard. The ultimate tankless keyboard that retains shortcut and arrow keys. Aluminum frame. Connects with up to 3 devices via duct Bluetooth 5.1 and switch among them easily. With high reliable and broad compatibility Broadcom Bluetooth chipset, the K2 is best to fit home, office, and light gaming use while connecting with your smartphone, laptop and iPad. It also has wired mode with USB Type-C connection. With a unique Mac layout, K2 has all necessary Mac function keys, while compatible with Windows. Extra keycaps for both Windows and Mac operating system are included. K2 can last up to 72 hours typing, or up to 7 days normal use, count 8 HRS per day, with a 4000 mAh big battery, which is one of the biggest in mechanical keyboard. N-key rollover, NKRO, on wired mode or 6 Crow on wireless mode. Charming RGB backlight with elegant keycap legends helps to type in DIME environment. You can also choose other static color backlight mode. Durable Gateron mechanical switch with 50 million keystroke lifespan, providing unrivaled tactile responsiveness on the brown switch. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: a 75% layout, 84 key, RGB backlight compact Bluetooth mechanical keyboard. The ultimate